Growing up, hanggang ngayon, aware ako na, maraming nakatingin sa'yo. You have to be good.
Pero now, siguro mas nag-loosen up ako. Mas hindi ako isip kung anong na hindi lahat magugustuhan gagawin ko, hindi lahat mapi-please ko, so gagawin ko na lang. Hindi na ako masyado nag-overthink. Ang sarap ng ganito. Mas nakakagalaw ako.
You have to do this and that. Kasi, especially yung mga bata, gagayahin kung ano yung makita sa'yo. Hindi porket artista, perfect na. Hindi porket sinabi niyo role model, wala kami imperfections and we can't commit mistakes and we can't learn from our mistakes. So parang ako, may iniidolo ako and all. But then, bakit ko siya iniidolo? Because I see myself in her. Maybe because nakikita ko na tao din siya, na nasaktan siya, nagkakamali siya, napapagod siya, nagagalit siya, and that's okay. So I always tell them na, wag niyo akong i-idol dahil perfect ako, dahil di talaga, promise. Siguro, yung rebellious and then very bold character, bago siya sa akin, but in a way siguro, yan yung reason kung bakit meron akong small circle of friends and my family. Because at the end of the day, pinapa-enjoy nila sa akin yung life in general. Na yes, I work hard, but I need to enjoy my life too. So, pinapayagan nila ako umalis, pinapayagan ako na magtrabaho, but then, okay, ito gagawin ko after para may mabigay pa ako, hindi ako maubos.
Ang dami kong decisions ng mga major decision na okay, maging normal,
That's
okay,
right.
lumakad. Huwag mo na isipin kung magpapapicture, magkakagulo sila. And ang dami kong realizations kung napaka-humbling kasi ng buong experience. Kung gaano ako kaswerte sa buhay ko ngayon. Kasi hindi lahat ganito. So, lahat talaga, kahit yung mga kasama mo sa bahay, mas na-appreciate ko yung mga little things di mo napapansin before. Nang pasasalamat ko kasi iba yung pinagdadaanan ng mga tao.
So, yun yung naging routine ko parate para ayoko na nape-pressure ako to be good just because I have to be good. So, I want to be good because ito yung pagkatao ko, and being good doesn't mean, hindi na ako magsasalita and just following kung anong sinasabi ng lahat ng tao sa akin. So, kung matanggap ka ng tao bilang ganon, so thank you. Kung hindi, okay lang. Ayoko kitang pilitan because ito ako. Andun ako sa stage siguro ng buhay ko ngayon. Siguro, in order for us to grow, we have to be curious, diba? Kahit hindi ka artista, kung ano man yung trabaho natin, kailangan talaga meron yung hunger na yon to learn more. It's a good kind of evolution naman. Being a very good girl for me, it's such a complex word to explain kasi we all have our own definition of being a good girl or a good person in general. You can be a good person by being honest, kind, doing what's right, and helping other people. Yan. Ang hirap na i-explain being a good girl. But for me, siguro personally, being a good girl is accepting your imperfections, accepting all the messes, the chaosness na parte ng sarili mo. And through all that, at the end of the day, you still want to be a better person. So, yun yung for me, accepting all the flaws, all the imperfection, and yet you want to be a better person. That's being a good girl. Kasi ang hirap niya explain na being a good girl, ito lang. Ang hirap, mahirap talaga. Pero as long as you try to be a better person, then you're good.